What if I told you that the secret to staying pain-free after 50 isn't found in expensive supplements or endless doctor visits, but in just a few simple exercises you can do anywhere? The truth is, as we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle, flexibility, and stability. That's why back pain, stiff joints, and weak knees become so common. But here's the good news: you can fight back. By adding the right movements into your routine, you can protect your joints, build strength, and keep your body moving the way it was designed to. In this video, we're diving into the 4 best exercises to stay pain-free after 50. These are low-impact, highly effective, and backed by science. If you're ready to reduce aches, improve mobility, and feel stronger than ever, you don't want to miss this. Let's get started. 1. Glutes bridge. Imagine waking up every morning without nagging back pain or stiff hips. That's the power of glute bridges. This simple but highly effective exercise is one of the best ways to stay pain-free after 50. Why? Because your glutes are the engine of your body. When they get weak, your lower back and knees take on extra stress, leading to aches, poor posture, and even mobility issues. The glute bridge directly targets your hips, core, and lower back, strengthening the muscles that keep your spine aligned and your joints protected. To do it, lie flat on your back, bend your knees, and place your feet hip-width apart. Press through your heels, squeeze your glutes, and lift your hips toward the ceiling. Hold for a second, then slowly lower down. Even a few sets daily can improve stability, relieve back pain, and restore youthful movement. Glute bridges aren't just an exercise, they're a foundation for strength, posture, and longevity. By keeping your hips strong and your core engaged, you'll reduce pain, move easier, and protect your body from age-related decline. If there's one move you should never skip after 50, it's this one. 2. Wall angel. The wall angel is a powerful yet gentle exercise that combats stiffness and poor posture, 2 common issues after 50. By sliding your arms up and down against a wall while keeping your lower back flat, you activate the muscles in your shoulders, upper back, and core. This move opens tight chest muscles, strengthens postural muscles, and relieves tension caused by slouching or sitting too long. Done consistently, wall angels improve mobility, reduce neck and shoulder pain, and help you stand taller with ease. It's like physical therapy built into a simple exercise, perfect for staying pain-free and active. 3. Step-ups. Step-ups are one of the most functional exercises you can do after 50 to stay pain-free and mobile. By stepping onto a stable platform or step, you engage your quads, glutes, and hamstrings, while also improving balance and coordination. This movement mimics everyday actions like climbing stairs or getting up from a chair, making it incredibly practical. Step-ups strengthen your knees, protect your hips, and reduce the risk of falls by building stability. They're low impact but highly effective, perfect for maintaining strength without stressing your joints. Consistent practice ensures strong legs, better mobility, and confidence in every step you take. 4. Cat-cow stretch. The cat-cow stretch is one of the most effective movements to keep your spine healthy and pain-free after 50. Performed on hands and knees, it gently guides your back through flexion and extension, improving mobility and circulation in the spine. As you arch into cow, your chest opens, stretching tight abdominal and hip muscles. As you round into cat, your back releases built-up tension, easing stiffness in the shoulders and lower back. This flowing motion helps reduce pain, improve posture, and restore flexibility lost with age. Practicing cat-cow daily keeps your spine supple, relieves stress, and supports smoother, more comfortable movement for years to come. All 4 of these exercises, glute bridges, wall angels, step-ups, and the cat-cow stretch, are backed by research from leading universities and institutes worldwide. Studies show that glute activation reduces lower back pain, while posture-focused moves like wall angels improve shoulder mobility and spine health. Functional strength exercises such as step-ups are proven to enhance balance and reduce fall risk in older adults, according to aging and mobility research. Meanwhile, spinal mobility drills like cat-cow are widely used in physiotherapy for flexibility and pain relief. Together, these evidence-based exercises form a powerful toolkit to keep your body strong, mobile, and pain-free after 50. Here's a simple weekly schedule to keep you pain-free after 50 using these 4 exercises. Aim for 3 to 4 sessions a week, alternating days to allow recovery. Start each workout with 5 minutes of light warm-up, like walking or marching in place. Then do 3 sets of 12 to 15 glute bridges, 10 slow wall angels, 10 to 12 step-ups per leg, and 8 to 10 rounds of cat-cow stretches. Keep movements slow, controlled, and focused on good form. On non-training days, try light activity such as walking or gentle stretching. Stay consistent rather than chasing intensity. Focus on breathing during each exercise. Use stable support for step-ups. Gradually increase reps as strength improves. And most importantly, listen to your body. These movements should feel good, not painful. Done regularly, this routine strengthens joints, improves posture, and keeps you moving freely well into your later years. By the way, friends, follow for more interesting videos.